Buongiorno paesani, allora mi accattavo un paro di stivali e poi mi ingigno gli stivali, ingignari. What's the meaning of this word in Sicilian? It means to use for the first time, ingignari. In Italian, I'm not too sure, so don't take my word for it, but I'm assuming the translation from Sicilian to Italian is mettere per la prima volta. So to wear it for the first time. In Sicilian, we use the word ingignari. So in Italian, I'm translating it as best I can, and it means mettere per la prima volta. So ingignari. Oi mi ingigno gli stivali. It's a weird way to say it, but that's what I was taught and that's what I'm teaching you. So to wear for the first time, ingignari, mettere per la prima volta is the word I want to teach you today. Have yourselves a great week. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you can watch my Sicilian lessons every Monday. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.